హాయ్ గైస్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు నేను క్యాప్జెమినీ వెబ్సైట్ని అయితే సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఇందులో హెడర్ సెక్షన్ అయితే బిల్డ్ చేయబోతున్నాను. సో మీరు కూడా నాతో పాటు బిల్డ్ చేయండి. సో ఫైనల్లీ వీ విల్ బిల్డ్ ది క్యాప్జెమినీ హెడర్ సెక్షన్ అనమాట. ఓకే, బిఫోర్ బిల్డింగ్ ద కోడ్ వీ నీడ్ టు అనలైజ్ ది స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ది హెడర్ సెక్షన్ ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, సో అలా ఎనాలిసిస్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే మనకు HTML స్ట్రక్చర్ అనేది తెలుస్తుంది, ఏమేమి వాడాలి అనేది. ఓకే, let's move to the analysis part. Okay, see here, this is the header part of the CAPGEMINI website. See guys, observe this header section is occupying 100% height and width of the viewport. What is the viewport? The viewport is a visible area of the website. So visible area means from here to here, and this total area we can call as a viewport. See here, this header part is occupying height and width of the viewport. It means we need one header container. That container needs to occupy total height and width of the viewport. That is the first point. And the second point is we need two children for that header container. One is for navigation bar, another one is for text box. And this is background image. Okay guys, these 3 points are the HTML structure of the header part. Okay, I think you got the structure. Let's move to the coding part now.
ఓకే గైస్, యాజ్ వి డిస్కస్ నేనైతే HTML కోడ్ అయితే ఆర్గనైజ్ చేశాను. చూడండి, ఒక హెడర్ అయితే తీసుకున్నాను. ఇన్సైడ్ దిస్ 2 డైరెక్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ అయితే తీసుకున్నాను. ఒకటేమో నావిగేషన్ బార్, ఇంకొకటేమో టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ అనమాట. సో మనం 1 by 1 CSS స్టైల్స్ అయితే ప్రొవైడ్ చేద్దాము. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనం గ్లోబల్ స్టైల్స్ అయితే సెట్ చేద్దాము. ఒకటి ప్యాడింగ్ మేకింగ్ 0 అండ్ మార్జిన్ making 0 and box sizing. Okay, box sizing I'm giving border box. Okay, so I'm setting root element HTML. For this I'm giving font size. Okay, sorry, font size I'm giving 10 pixel. Okay, now I'm setting styles for body. Okay, what I'm setting, sorry, it is small letter. Okay, I'm setting font styles here, so I'm giving font family. Okay, I'm giving font family to Ubuntu. See here, I already downloaded. Come here, see here, if you want you can use this, or else you can select another one. Okay, I'm using Ubuntu. If it is not available, sans serif. And see, open with live server, what will happen, how it's looking like. Okay, see, this is just a plain HTML code. Okay, we not to upload any styles. Okay, come here. Okay, font family I'm given Ubuntu, and font size I'm giving as font weight. Sorry, font weight I'm giving 300. Okay, and also font size I'm giving, okay, 2 rem I'm giving. Okay, now check how it's looking like. So now it's looking like this. Okay, now come here. So now I'm focusing on header part. Come here. So it is just a direct element I'm applying. So see here, what is the header? This whole thing is the header occupying 100% of height and width of the viewport. So that's why I'm giving height to 100 VH. VH means viewport height. It means it will occupy the 100% height of that viewport. So with the browser will adjust. Okay, and I'm setting background image. Okay, so in URL, see, I already downloaded that image, so I'm taking here. Okay, come here and check now how it's looking like. See, this occupying 100% height and height, 100% height and width of that viewport. See, this image is not yet centered. Okay, we need to make that to center. So for that I'm using background position to center. I'm putting, sorry, center and background size I'm giving cover. See, it will occupy the whole height and width of that header. Okay, see now, see this, compare. Okay, okay, header is completed. Now come and focus on the navigation bar. So first, before that, observe. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 children inside the navigation bar. We have 3 children. Okay, and also come here, analyze one more thing. See, this is a one-dimensional layout. For that, we need to use flex. Okay, I'm using display flex. Okay, now come here and see how it's looking like. See, for a while we need to, so we can put this in comment. That text box will come again. First, we can focus on this navigation bar. Okay, we laid out that as a flex. Okay, give some gap. I'm giving 3 rem. It means 30 pixel because rem means 10 pixel here. We said here. Okay, remember here. Okay, we got some gap between these flex items, and now come focus on the children's of this navigation. The children's of this navigation bar. First of all, I'm focusing on logo container. Okay, dot logo container. Okay, select from the parent instead of direct selecting. Okay, logo container slash image space image. Oh, see, I'm applying some height. Okay, I'm giving 10 rem means 100 pixel. See, it is looking like this. We no need, I think, that much. I'm giving 8 rem. Okay, 8 rem also looking bigger. I'm giving 6 rem, 60 pixel. I think it is okay. Compare with this. Okay, okay, enough for logo container. And come to the navbar middle. Okay, come to the navbar middle. And before this, I'm using navigation bar. Okay, navbar middle, and this again have the children. Okay, put it there and use here again and use the another illustrator because this navbar middle has the UL child. Okay, for that, see here, this is a navbar middle. This again laid out as a row. That's why for that I'm using, for UL I'm using display flex. Okay, and what I'm doing, display flex, and so first of all making this style to none. Okay, and put some gap here. The 3 rem means 30 pixel. Okay, see, it's looking like this. Also before that, put the border for navigation bar and for its items. So we able to observe the how much height and width occupied those parent and child. Okay, for debugging purpose I'm doing here. Here also for flex items we did for that one. Okay, we need to do for its items. Its flex items means its children's navigation bar. I'm selecting all children's of this and I'm giving the border. So I'm giving gray. Observe here. See, this is the parent element means navigation bar. This is child elements. Okay, what happened? Makes a solid gray. Sorry, here we need to put navigation bar. Now check. See here how much width and height occupied. So we're able to observe here. Okay, and also I'm applying styles for this third child navigation navbar ends. Okay, come here, that navigation Okay, space, I'm using navbar ends. See, observe, see it has two children. Okay, for that I'm using display flex, but here I need direction, flex direction to column I need. Okay, see here. And also one more thing I need to do here, copy this. I need to remove that bullets first, then only it will look fine. List style, none. And he see, give here some gap to look fine now. 3 rem I'm giving. Okay, see now, looking fine now. See here, because see this alignment, compare these two alignment and this alignment. Okay, and this also we need to make as a row. See here, this one contact as investors, we need to keep this in row. For that, what we need to do, navigation ends another list, we need to select. Okay, that we need to select this whole thing. Okay, but we already selected, no need again. This one selected, and see here display flex, and also give some gap. Okay, I'm giving 3 rem. See what will happen. See here, we got the gap. And see here, see for this see there is a gap between top and bottom, left and right. Okay, see for which one, that is a navigation bar na? So for this I'm giving some height. So what I'm giving, 10 rem I'm giving. See what will happen, how much it's looking like. Height, see I will increase this, 12 rem. Okay, okay. And also one more thing you need to do, provide here the hover effect for all developments. Hover effect. So what I'm giving here, background color white I'm giving. Sorry, oh sorry, we need to give for navigation bar. Okay, this what happened here? Sorry, mistake is there. Oh, but why I'm giving border color? Sorry. They give your background color, okay? White. Okay, it's looking like this. Now provide some padding. Top to bottom I'm giving very less, 1 rem, and I'm giving here that 3 rem, sorry 4 rem I'm giving. Okay, see here, at least I will try to give 2 rem. I think it is too much. 2 rem. 20 pixel. And see see there is some spaces available here. For that what I'm doing, see I'm using here flex property for the navbar middle. See here, observe here, this one, there is a gap, there is a huge gap between these two. That's why for navbar middle what I'm doing, observe, I'm giving flex 1 and check now what will happen. See, there is a gap between these two. Okay, and see these are not aligned vertically centered. For that I'm giving line items center. Okay, now check, it's looking fine now. Line item center, and there is a gap between these two. And for this middle and this here, see, provide the gap here. I'm giving 4 them. Check now how it's looking like. See, and now provide some padding here for them. Okay, it's coming like. Okay, I'm increasing some height. Here is this navigation bar height 30 rem. Okay, sorry, that border has gone. We need to put it again. Navigation bar. Div. See border. Copying this. Okay, this much. And see, we need to move these two. See, there is a gap between here, and also I'm giving very less. So it is occupying the rest of the width of the container. Okay. See here I'm providing left and right padding again. See, it's moved. Okay. So providing some gap here. What I'm doing, see, that is a middle container, na? So I'm giving margin left. I'm giving 3 rem. Observe what will happen. See, there is a gap. Okay, I think it is okay now. Okay, and also increase the top padding. Okay, there is no change because of boxes in water box. Okay, see, it's looking fine now. See here, and see here there is a gap between these two and this. See here, there is a gap between these, and also see here checkbox is at the bottom of this navbar ends. That's why move here, select this one. So like this one navbar ends and set box. Copy this class. Copy this class here and move self, align self, not align items, align self to flexi end. Now check here, it's moved. Okay, see it moved. Okay, see here, here we need to convert the two black color to white. Where for navigation bar, try to give here the color white. See here, see provide some gap here for navbar ends. I am giving 4. Check here and see, we'll provide some linear gradient, then it will look good. For navigation bar, come here to this navigation bar, we need to provide some linear gradient. Okay, background image, the linear gradient, some 0 degree I'm providing, and black I'm using black to black. I'm providing linear gradient. See here, see how it's looking like. See, it's looking like this. So I'm providing some opacity, putting these to the very less, like this, and see this one and this effect. Okay, decrease this and this decrease. See, look how it's looking. Okay, we got this effect now. We need some gap now. Come here, see edge box, see select that one here. We already selected. Again use display flex gap 1 run. Now select. Okay, so if we with this remove the gap, what will happen? Check. Okay, I think we need to give very less space. Gap we need to decrease. Find one like that and give. It's not enough. There is no change here. Okay. Okay. Now we'll check if there is some gap. Now see it's looking okay. Global region, and if you want, you can make that to provide some gap for that also by selecting from here. See, select the third item. Now bar ends. This one. Copy this. Copy this. Paste here. Now bar ends. We will li colon. So I'm selecting nth child of third. Okay. Putting display flex and provide gap. One run. Okay, see there is a gap between these also. Okay, I think this is enough for navigation bar, and please remove this border. Okay, now it's look fine. Okay, and this also I'm removing. Check now. See, this is the navigation bar, this is the navigation bar. Compare both. Maybe here every letter in this navigation bar is in capital. Okay, we need to transform that. Okay, text transform property we have now, so I'm using that here. Text transform, capitalize. Okay, see, enough for navigation bar. Let's come here, focus on text box here. This is the text box. Okay, see plain text box how it is looking like. See, it is looking like this. See, copy this class, and come here. Give the border and observe how much width it is occupied. Okay, 1 pixel solid black. See, now it is occupying 100% width of that viewport. So I'm decreasing width to 30%. I'm giving. Okay, 30 or I'm giving 40%. So we need to align now. So we need to align here. So that's why what I'm giving. So I'm giving for navigation bar position relative. Okay, and because that is a parent of this text box, so for this I'm giving absolute. So no change. Now come here and give from top to 30%, left 10%. Now see the alignment how it's looking like. So it's like come like that. Okay, I'm giving 10% only. Okay, and see top I'm using 35%. So we need to make exact like this, na? That's why I'm trying for that. And we need to see here, observe here, there is a box shadow. Okay, give the box shadow 0 0. I'm not providing shadow for x-axis and y-axis, and I'm using spreading for 10 pixel and black. Okay, see here we got decrease this 5 pixels, looking like that, like this, very less, and decrease 3 pixel. Okay, if you remove this border it will look fine. And see, provide some height for this. Height I'm giving according to the viewport, I'm giving 40 VH. See how much it is. Okay, enough. Bit high, 50 VH I'm giving means 50% of the viewport, like that. Viewport height. Okay. Okay, now see there is a padding and some font size also increasing. Left and top padding is available here. Okay, padding I'm giving padding 3 rem and here 1 rem. Top to bottom very less. So give here 5 rem. Enough, not enough. Okay, like this I'm trying to making and giving 3 rem from left and right. Okay, increase some font size. So text box space, these are h1 these are the h1s, that's why I'm selecting h1s and giving font size. Okay, 3 rem very less, 7 rem too much, 5. Okay, like this I'm trying to give the color white. Okay, and let's focus on this paragraph. Okay, dot text box text space paragraph I'm selecting. See, there is a gap between them, that's why I'm giving margin top I'm giving 5 rem. Observe, it is also color white. Okay, compare now this one and this one. Okay, and there is some linear gradient is there. I'm already, so this is that linear gradient. Use this one in your project also. Say the background image. Background image linear gradient. So here we missed the parenthesis. Okay, check now and remove the border. We'll get exact that CAPGEMINI's text box like that. See here, check here. See here, there is a gap in, I think here you can increase. For this I'm increasing, this one I'm increasing. Okay, check now. Oh, only for the paragraph. Oh, sorry. We need to put it for text box, no? Like that. Okay, remove this now. Okay, increase this, decrease this, and increase this, and check now. Like that you can do. Okay, however you want, how much that color you want from left to right and top to bottom. Okay, I think that we got exact how the CAPGEMINI people were built. Okay, see here, for this we need to set for background colors. For, see, whenever we hover na, for navigation bar we here. ఓకే, నీకు ఇలా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి సో మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే దీనికి, సో అగైన్ మనం కలర్ అనేది ఇవ్వాలా. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఇమేజ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి అండ్ లీనియర్ గ్రేడియంట్తో మనం వైట్ కలర్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సో యాష్, కమా, now try here. See, you need to give the color to text color to black. Okay, it's looking fine now. ఓకే గైస్, ఫైనల్లీ మనం CAPGEMINI యొక్క హెడర్ని అయితే ఇక్కడ బిల్డ్ చేయడం అయితే జరిగింది. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చిందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.